Hello and assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Introduction to Excel VBA. What is VBA? VBA is an acronym for Visual Basic for Application. It is used for automating tasks in Excel by writing macros. And let us get started. So let us write our first macro. How do we write our macro? First, go to a blank sheet. So now you have to right click in here on the ribbon and go to customize ribbon, click. And you see something called developer. To turn it on, we have to check this and click OK. You can do so from here, or you can go to file and options, and from there go to customize ribbon and then go to developer, turn it on or check it and then click OK. Now you have developer tab. This is the area which we use for working with VBA. So first we need to go to Visual Basic. Visual Basic is what? It is the application on which we write our VBA. So the first thing you need to do is right click in here and go to insert and click on module, or you can go to insert from the top menu and then module. Now you have this. First thing first, you have to say sub, means I'm creating a program, I'm creating a macro that is named hello world. And remember that you are not allowed spaces, you are not allowed to have number at the start and a lot of other things. You can't have special characters, and if you are like following all the laws, then you are okay with that and you can name it. Once you press enter, you will get answer. Now in here you have to say message box, means I want a message box to appear saying hello world, and then just come down, it will capitalize itself and we are good to go. Now you have to press the play button or F5 to run this code. I press F5 or play button and I get my message saying hello world. What if I want to get another message? Well, I can do so by saying message box, then saying another world. And that is different. I don't know why, but I love to use hello world with another world. This sounds really nice to me. Hello world, then another world. Now let us see this. I have hello and I want the world to be down. How do I get the world to the second line? You can do so, number one, by separating these two, and in between your and in between and you have to say VBCRLF. Now you are saying hello and concatenate it with a new line, means after hello add a new line, and after new line add world. You can use plus in here, but in some cases you can't use plus, in some cases you can. So let us see. You see hello world, but it is recommended to use and sign rather than the plus sign, because plus sign is an arithmetic operator and it is not recommended mostly to use this because it's gonna create a lot of problem for you in the future. Well, if you want to save your Excel workbook and it has macro, it has to be saved differently. How do you save that? Let us see that. You go to save, you go to browse to the place here where you want to save. I would go to my desktop and I would call this my first tutorial. Now from the save as type, as you can see, I'll go to Excel macro enabled workbook. The macro means VBA, so Excel VBA enabled workbook. Now save it. And that is all. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you like this video and I will be waiting you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.